Okay, so this session is regarding file upload. In many situations, there are the requirement to upload files. Like when we are registering in a college, we have to upload our image, we have to upload our resume, we may have to upload some documents like KYC documents. So for all those things, we want to upload files along with some data in our registration process. So for that, I have already created a table. Let me show you the table. Suppose we have a staff table, and this staff table has name column, email column. Then we have a PAN column that will store the PAN card. Then we have a resume column that will store the resume. And then we'll have a photo in which the photo of the employee will be or the staff will be uploaded. So this is the structure of the table. The name of the table is staff, and these are the columns: name, which will store the name of the staff; email to store the email of the staff; then the PAN card will be stored, and then the resume and the photo. So when we upload file, we store the name of the file in the database. So that is why we are taking the type as varchar, because we have to store the name, and the actual file will be uploaded in the images folder. So if you come to the htdocs PHP, here we are writing our program. So wherever we are writing our programs, we have a folder images, and here all the images and the documents will be uploaded. So the actual images are the actual files. It may be some JPG or any type of image, or it may be some documents, Word document or PDF document. All of these informations will be uploaded in this folder. So what we have to do to run this program, first of all, we have to create a table in the MySQL. These are the columns that we have discussed. Then we have to create a folder by the name of images. We have created here with the name of images. It can be any other name in the present working directory. Wherever your program is stored, under that folder, we create our images folder, and the uploaded images will be stored here. Now we will see two programs here. One to upload those informations through the PHP program so that it can be stored in the database, and the other program will be to view those information that we have stored in the database. So let's begin with the first program. So the first program is file upload.php. This is file upload.php. And let me first show you the runtime of this file upload program. So it will be localhost PHP, and this is the file upload. So what are the things that we are taking from the user? We are taking the name, we are taking the email, and then we are taking the files, three types of file. One is the PAN card, the second is the resume, and third is the photo of the user. And where all this information will be stored, the information will be stored in this table. So let us see how we have created this form. So I'll come to the VS Code to show you the HTML first. So here you can see that we have file upload, and we have registration form. You can see from line number 21, we have a registration form. Then this is the form. One important attribute that is required in the form whenever we are uploading some file is encrypt type, and the value is multi-part form data. So whenever we are passing files along with some data, this is to be added in the form tag. So in the form tag, we have used method post, and encrypt type is multi-part form data. Now this is the first unit wherein we are displaying the name and input type text. Name is equals to uname. Then we are having email, input type email, name is equals to email, and then to upload file, we have this line where we are using input type equals to file. Whenever we have to upload file, we have the tag input with the attribute type is equals to file. This is the for uploading pan, so the name is pan here. Similarly, the second input type is file with the name resume. We have to upload the resume here. And the third is for the user's photograph. So it will be input type file and name is photo. So all the three types of file that we are required to upload, like the PAN card, the resume, and the photograph. For all these type, the input is type equals to file. And these are the name equals to PAN, name equals to resume, name equals to photo. Now, when this form will be submitted, this is the output that we are showing out here. So when this form will be submitted, when we click the register now button, then the PHP code will execute. And here you can see what we are doing. So uname we are taking in the variable username, email we are taking in the variable email. So you can see here, the first text box is uname and the second text box is email. So for the first two text box, we are taking uname and email from the form. And then we have to upload three pictures. So we are declaring three variables, pic1, pic2, pic3. And if the first PAN card is set, that means we have used some file there, then these lines of code will be executed. And if the resume file is uploaded, then these lines of code will be executed. And if photo is uploaded, these lines of code will be executed. Now, suppose the user while registering is only adding resume but not photo, then in that case, this condition will become false. The value will not be set. So is set will be false for PAN if we are not uploading PAN. If is set will be false for resume if we are not adding resume, and similarly is set for photo will be false if we are not uploading photo. And if we are uploading all the three or any one of them, this condition will become true. The first condition is for uploading PAN, second condition is for uploading resume, and third condition is for uploading the photo. And all these, once these commands are executed properly, then what we have to do, we have to use the insert command. Insert into staff. These are the column, name, email, PAN, resume, photo, and these are the variables, name, username, email, pic1, pic2, pic3. So I'll try to explain once again. First of all, the first part of this file upload program is to create the user interface where the user will enter his name. So this part where the user will be entering the name. Then the second part is where the user will be entering the email. Then the third part is there where user will be uploading the PAN card. Then user will be uploading the resume. Then user will be uploading the photo. And then the submit action will be performed. And in that case, the next part, the second half of this file will be executed once the user clicks the submit button. So what we have to do, we have to take out the name, the email. These are the things in the form of data. So we are taking out the data. In case of file upload, whatever is the name of your input type file, the first you can see the input type file name is PAN. So here we'll use to see whether any file has been uploaded by the user or not. If the user has selected any file to upload, this condition will become true. Now, this line PAN name will return the name of the file that we will be that the user will be uploading. Then this is the temporary storage area. The file will not be directly uploaded into the images folder. It will be first kept somewhere in the buffer, and that is the temp name where it will be stored. And once it is stored, then we have to call this move uploaded file. This move uploaded file is a library function that will transfer the file from the temporary storage to the permanent storage. This is the permanent storage area, images folder. This is the permanent storage area, and this is the name of the file that we have uploaded. You can see here, pick one is the name of the file. Suppose the name of the file is Amit pan.jpg. So Amit pan, pick one value will be Amit pan.jpg, and it has to go where? It has to go in the images folder. So this is the destination name, and this is the source name. So this is the temporary area from where the file will be taken and it will be shifted here. Now this line will be uploading the file from the local computer to the server computer. So the same lines of code are repeated 3 times because we have to upload the 3 files. One is the PAN card, the second is the resume, and third is the photo. And once all the data has been uploaded and taken from the form, then we'll execute the insert command and we'll give the user message registration is successful. Now let us try to see at present, if we click the browse button, there are no records in it. And if we see the images folder, we do not have the images. These are the programs that are there. So now what we have to do, we have to fill up the form. Suppose the name is Amit, the email is amit@gmail.com, and let us choose the files. So these are the files that I have kept in the sample folder. So it is the Amit pan. This is an image, Amit pan. I'll open. So you can see it is noted here. Now I want to upload the resume of Amit. So we have a PDF Amit resume here. I'll click. And then we have to upload the photo of Amit. So I'll click Amit photo. And now I have selected all these information, the name, the email, the PAN, the resume, and the photo. I'll click the register now. So once I click the register now, you can see registration successful message is coming. Now we shall come to the database and see if the record has been inserted. Yes, you can see now we have name is Amit, email is amit@gmail.com. This is the name of the PAN card. This is the name of the resume. This is the name of the photo. And if we will check all these here, see in the images folder, we can now see that these 3 files have been uploaded. You can see these are the 3 files that have been uploaded. Now, if I register one more record, I'll repeat the same process. So I'll suppose I'm giving raj@gmail.com. I'll choose the file rajpan. Okay. I'll choose the file Raj resume. Okay. And I'll choose the photo of Raj. So I'll take Raj photo. Okay. And now I'll click the register now button. Once I click the register now button, I'll get the registration successful information. Let us see in the database. I'll browse. You can see that one more record has been added, Raj, and these are the information. And if I come to the images folder, you can see now 3 more files are there, Raj, PAN card, Raj photo, and Raj resume. So this is how we can use the file upload program. Let us see once again. There are 2 parts into it. First part is the design part, the user interface part. In the form, we add one encrypt multi-part data. Then these input type files are used. And when we click the submit button, then this is how the file gets uploaded. So to upload the file, we store the name of the file in the database as a column, and we keep the file on the server as in a folder. The name of the folder is a predefined. Here we have used images folder to keep all those documents. Now there is one more program. If we want to see it through a program, all those information. So for that, I have already created one program. Let me show you. List record with images. So when I click this button, you can see these are the records. Amit, the PAN card of Amit. We are showing the PAN card of Amit in the image folder. Then we are showing the resume. This is the hyperlink. If I open it, it will open the resume. This is the resume file of one user. And then we have a photo. Similarly, since there are two records, so you can see the two records. Now I'll try to explain this program, list record with images program. Similar program we have done in the previous sessions also, where we were having only text or integer information. Here we have to show the photographs and files. So to show the images, we use the image tag. Here we are using the image tag, and to show the files like resume or other document, we use the anchor tag, and we give a hyperlink to the folder where it has been stored. So let us quickly see the code. List record with images. This is the code. So when the user will click the submit button, this is a very simple form, only one button in it. And when it is submitted, we are executing the select asterisk from the staff, because the staff table is storing all those information. Now we have a table with columns ID, name, PAN, Aadhaar, and photo. You can see we have ID, name, PAN, Aadhaar, and photo. Now we will use a loop. So first time when this loop will execute, the first row will be taken into variables. So ID of the user, name of the user, PAN of the user. This is the name of the PAN file. This is the name of the resume file. And this is the name of the photo. Now we have to show them in a row. So we are using tr command. In TD we use $ID. In TD we are using tname. And in the third TD, this column, we are using an image tag, and we have to show the PAN card image. So it is where it is located. Has been uploaded in the images folder. So we have used images /$PAN. $PAN is the name of the PAN card file that is coming from the database. We have given the height and width. Similarly, to show the resume, we have created a hyperlink. href is images /resume. This is the name of the file. And this is hyperlink tag in the column. And in the last column, we again have a photo. So a photo will be in the image tag. So first record will be displayed, then the second record will be displayed. And since it is in a loop, so there will be this loop will iterate the number of times the records are found in the database. Then we close the table and then we end the program. So this is how we add a record in a table in a database with some images. In our example, we have used images as well as PDF file. In every case, we are not storing the actual file. We are storing only the name of the file. And then at the time of display, we have to select how those files will be displayed. So images are usually shown in with the help of image tag, and other documents are shown with the help of a tag, anchor tag. So this is how we can add and view information which have some files also available. So there are two programs to start. When you will be doing this program, when you want to run this program, first of all, you have to create a table. So this is the structure of the table. I'll show you once again. This is the structure of the table: email, PAN, resume, photo. And then you have to create a folder. This is a folder, images folder. This folder is under the PHP program file. We are having all our programs in this PHP folder, that is in htdocs. So under PHP, we have created images, and all those images will be uploaded and stored here. And then we can write and execute the programs so that we can see the result. One more thing that is left in file upload is that if suppose Amit, there are two users, two staff with the name of Amit, and both have the same file. Then it will overwrite. So to prevent those things, and in case of uploading images, we should like do some validation that only image files should be uploaded, and when the user is uploading some document, it should be only allowed to upload Word and PDF file. So those validations we'll see in the coming session. For now, try to run these programs. I'll upload the video as well as the code for all of you. Try to execute this, learn this, and if you have any question, you are free to come and connect with me. Thank you very much.